The injured victim asks the attorney in his office, "How many trials have you had?" And the attorney's embarrassed. He's never had any trials yet, but he's willing to give it a shot. Is there any legal requirement for an attorney to have a certain amount of experience before trying his very first case? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. There is no legal requirement in New York that says an attorney has to have a certain amount of experience, either in hours or in years, before trying his very first case. Now, is it a good idea to have some type of experience beforehand? Absolutely. You would hope that the attorney would go ahead and sit in on some cases that he can observe, watch some really experienced attorneys try a case. Watch opening arguments, watch cross-examination, watch direct examination, watch how closing examination is done. Many times what an attorney will do in order to gain experience, actual trial experience, is to go ahead and second seat a more senior attorney. Now what does that mean? It means that now when the senior attorney goes ahead and tries the case, that junior attorney will be there with him, carrying his bag, doing research, handling exhibits, passing things to the attorney in order to try and help him. This way he gets to be in the courtroom, learn from the senior attorney, learn what to do, and importantly, what not to do. That's the ideal scenario. Many times the senior attorney will turn to the junior attorney if they've got a really bad case in the office and say, "Listen, we don't think we have a chance winning this case. We'd like you to try it as your very first trial." That's a perfect opportunity because now the expectation for this attorney winning the case is extremely low, but it gives them a great opportunity to gain experience without the risk that something bad can happen. But for a consumer who's trying to find the right attorney to help solve their legal problem, it is critical to ask that attorney how long they've been in practice. It's critical to ask how many trials they have. Why? Because from a consumer standpoint, this is the most important thing to them. And you don't want to entrust that problem, that solution, to someone who has no experience whatsoever. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a civil lawsuit involving medical malpractice or an accident matter or even a wrongful death matter here in New York. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular problem. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.